Stay at home, study at home. This is Teacher Vina, your superwoman in mathematics. Learning competency. Read and write numbers up to 100,000s in symbols and in words. Let us have a quick review on place value and value of the numbers. What is the place value of the underlined digit? And give the value of the underlined digit. The number is 74,938. 8 is in the ones place value. 3 is in the tens place value. 9 is in the hundreds place value. 4 is in the thousands place value. And 7 is in the 10,000s place value. And the underlined digit is 7. So the place value of 7 is 10,000. Now let's go to the value of the underlined digit. The underlined digit is 7, and it is found in the 10,000s place value. So therefore, 7 times the value, which is 10,000, is equal to 70,000. So the value of 7 in the number 74,938 is 70,000. You want another example? Okay. Here is another number, 86,145. The underlined digit is 1. 5 is in the ones place value. 4 is in the tens place value. 1 is in the hundreds place value. 6 is in the thousands place value. 8 is in the 10,000s place value. The underlined digit is 1, and it is in the hundreds place value. So the underlined digit, which is 1, is in the hundreds place value. Now let's give the value of the underlined digit. The number is 1, and 1 is in the hundreds place value. So 1 times the value, which is 100, is equals to 100. So therefore, the value of 1 in the digit 86,148 is 100. You want more? We have more example. And the number is 66,948. 8 in the ones place value, 4 in the tens place value, 9 in the hundreds place value. 6, which is the underlined digit, is in the thousands place value, and 6 is in the 10,000s place value. The underlined digit is 6, which is found in the thousands place value. So the value of the underlined digit is thousands. Now let's find out the value of the underlined digit. The underlined digit is 6, and it is found in the thousands place value. So therefore, 6 times the value, which is 1,000, is equals to 6,000. So the value of 6 in the digit 66,948 is 6,000. Good job! If you have mastered the previous lesson, let's now start our discussion. Our topic is how to read and write numbers up to 100,000s in symbols and in words. Before we proceed to our discussion, let me introduce first the place value chart. As you can see in our illustrations, each group of 3 numbers is called a period. In the first period, you can see ones, tens, and hundreds period. And the second period is thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. On the third period, you can see millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. So the 3 periods or the 3 groups is named as ones periods, thousands periods, and millions periods. The ones periods is also known as the units periods. The place value illustration should be read the numbers before the comma as if you were reading in the ones period. Example, 485. Then, name the period you are in when you get to the comma. You don't have to name the ones period. You don't say the word "and" in these numbers. Example, 948. Put each digit in a place value chart. So 8 should be put in the ones digit, 4 in the tens digit, and 9 in the hundreds digit. So you are going to read it as 948. Another example, 8,771. Separate 3 digits from right to left using a comma. Example, 1 is in the ones digit, 7 in the tens digit, and another 7 in the hundreds digit. Then, put a comma to separate it by period. So 8 now is in the thousands period. And it is read as 8,771. Let's have another example. The problem is, the total land area of the Philippines is 298,170 square kilometers. Write the total land area of the Philippines in symbols. If you find it hard, let's go back to previous steps that I discussed earlier. The number is 198,000. So we are going to start from the 100,000, which is 2. Then 9 in the tens thousands place value, and 8 in the thousands place value. The next one is 170. You put a comma, you put 1 on the hundreds, 7 on the tens, 0 on ones. So the answer is 298,170. Remember to read and write the number starting from left. Remember to read and write each group by units. Are you ready, kids? Now get a pen and a paper. In 1 minute, I want you to answer the exercises on the next slides. Ready? The number is 34,546. You are going to write the numbers in words. Your timer starts now. Let's check your work. The answer is 34,546. You put in the chart the 6 on the ones, 4 on the tens, 5 on the hundreds, and put a comma, 4 in the thousands, and 10 thousands. Then you write the word 34,546. You get it correctly? Good job. Another example. 50,009. This is in words. What you're going to do is write this number into symbol. Your timer starts now. Let's check your work. Your task is to write it into symbol. So 50,009. So you're going to look for the thousand in the 10,000s place value. So you write the 5 on the 10,000s place value and 0 on the thousand. Then you put 0 on the hundreds, 0 on the tens, and 9 ones. And it is read as 50,009. Got it? It's awesome. Now remember, read and write numbers up to 100,000s in symbols and in words. Step 1. Put each digit to its place value. Step 2. Separate 3 digits from right to left using a comma. Step 3. Read and write the numbers starting from left. Always remember to read and write its group by 3 digits. To check your mastery in 5 minutes, I want you to answer the given exercises in the next slides. Write the following numbers in symbol. Number 1, 26,713. Number 2, 12,256. Number 3, 300,008. Next, write the following numbers in words. 37,456 and 57,894. You are only given 5 minutes for this task. Your timer starts now. Okay, let's check your work. Number 1. The answer is 26,713. You get it right? Next. Number 2, 12,256. Next, 3,008. Okay, next, 37,456. Next, 57,894. You get it perfect? Very good. Clap your hands. Excellent. That's all, and thank you for listening.